By manipulating the auto tiling value inside our tile, we can create kind of a mechanical latching effect. What I'm doing right now is setting the same exact tile value everywhere. This is all the same tile value with different auto tile masks, and it allows me to create this kind of intricate mechanical latching effect. It looks pretty cool. So let's look at the code so far. We've created a new lookup table in the top level lookup tables section. In this 8x8 symmetrical cap graphics section, we have this lookup table. It takes a touching value and a half, either the top or bottom half of the graphic, so a 0 or a 1, and spits out the 8x4 bitmap that we're going to overlay over the current graphics to make them more asymmetrical. Because the graphics have a left half and a right half, we have a total of 32 entries in this lookup table. So we're going to assert that right here. Here's what we did previously. And here's all of our work for deriving those binary values in the lookup table. Here's what we did in this video. We don't have enough time to go over how we derive those values because we're on the short playlist. But if you want to go to the long playlist, we'll describe everything in more detail. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. You have been on video number 326. Like, subscribe, send money.